Are you ready to elevate your makeup skills and create flawless, lasting bridal looks? Welcome to the Bridal Makeup Mastery course, a fully accredited, completely online program designed to give you the tools, techniques, and confidence to thrive in the bridal beauty industry. This course includes 3 timeless bridal looks: natural radiance, soft glam, and mature bridal. Each look is designed to be fully adaptable, so you can meet the needs of any client on their special day. You'll also gain essential knowledge in our key modules, covering sanitization protocols every professional must follow, blush tones for every skin type and undertone, contouring techniques to sculpt and enhance, color correcting for a flawless base, and much more. Whether you're starting from scratch or sharpening your skills, this course will guide you step by step toward becoming a confident, in-demand bridal makeup artist. Enroll now and start your journey to mastering the art of bridal beauty.